Tell me when shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can start, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write the three standard determinants once again. एक बार. Write the three standard determinants once again. All of you. I'm waiting. Please write all the three standard determinants which I wrote yesterday once in your notes. Then we will start. 1a square, 1c square. Transpose it. 111 ABC. Write the right hand side. 111 111 ABC. 111 A square B square C square A cube B cube C cube. 111 A square B square C square A cube B cube C cube. Write the right hand side.
Done, sir.
यहाँ पे on the right hand side write this also. What's the right hand side one? First one. बच्चे लोग first one. बच्चे लोग first one. A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, comma is of degree 3. Write the second one. Somebody posted a question on WhatsApp yesterday. Can
Yes, sir, I
somebody solve this? Who is it?
Yes, sir, I asked.
Your name?
Abdur Rahim, sir.
You are from which school?
Zara Public School.
That is an intermediate textbook, no? From where you got that book? You have that book?
Yes, sir, I have. It is Telangana State
Yeah,
Intermediate.
Telangana State Intermediate textbook. Yes. You got the answer for that?
Yes, sir, I got.
By the procedure which I typed.
No, sir, by that it was going even much lengthy. I tried something else. I got that.
What was that? Something else?
Sir, column 1, I changed to column 1 plus column 3. And column 2 plus column 3.
Even that will do the job. Yeah, next. A minus B, B minus C into, this is of degree 4. अब्दुल, that problem अगर MCQs में पूछे तो सुन रहे हो?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अगर वो प्रॉब्लम MCQs में पूछे तो जनरली वो क्या करता बोले तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन में कांस्टेंट कितना था राइट हैंड साइड में?
4.
4. सो 4 ऑप्शन ऐसा बनाएगा वो, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन में कांस्टेंट 1, सेकंड में 2, थर्ड में 3, फोर्थ में 4 देता.
Okay, sir.
So best method to solve that problem for MCQ exam is put A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 1. You can evaluate lambda.
Okay, sir.
Shall we do it in the class? No.
Yes, sir. You can try.
Yeah. Next one. A minus B, B minus C, C minus A into below. A
B
plus
plus
B
C plus D.
A is of, what's the degree? Degree 5. Determinant minus 2A. बोलो बाकी के elements.
A plus B, C plus A, A plus B, minus 2B, B plus C, C plus A, B plus C, minus 2C.
Or is equals to lambda times where, लो एक वन लाइन आंसर, एक सुपर MCQs मेथड, put A is equal to B is equal to C is equals to 1. बच्चे लोग what is left hand side? बच्चे लोग what is left hand side? बोलो -2 2 2. हाँ बोलो मैम. Lambda into, what will I get? 2 into 2 into 2. हेलो, फर्स्ट रो में से 2 कॉमन, सेकंड रो में से 2 कॉमन, थर्ड रो में से 2 कॉमन, 3 2s लेफ्ट हैंड साइड आएंगे, 3 2s राइट हैंड साइड है. They both will cancel off. They both will cancel off. What you are left over with? What you are left over with? Determinant -1 1, 1 minus 1 1, 1 1 minus 1 is equal to lambda. Now find lambda.
Sir, 4 lambda equal. Done, sir.
Okay. Can you clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Somebody asked me this question yesterday yesterday I believe or Saturday. Sir, how do you know that we should do this only? It is all trial and error. Look at rows, look at columns, stare at rows, stare at columns, stare at rows, stare at columns. Don't keep on staring. You will waste your time. Idea, Sujna. What is that? We should generally try for R1, row 1, rows पूरे ऐड करो कुछ आ रहा क्या चेक करो कॉलम्स पूरे ऐड करो कुछ आ रहा क्या चेक करो I'm adding all the rows. What am I getting? 1 plus 3 sine square theta. What am I getting? 1 plus 3 cos square theta. What am I getting? 1 plus 12 sine 4 theta. Am I getting anything common? No. Rows add करने से कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है. So what I will do? I will go for columns. I'll add all the columns. 1 plus sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 4 sine 4 theta. What is sine square theta plus cos square theta? 1. Already there is a 1. 1 plus 1, 2. There is a 4 sine 4 theta. Adding क्या दे रहा है? Adding क्या दे रहा है? Adding क्या दे रहा है? What does addition along all the columns is 2 plus 4 sine 4 theta. 2 plus 4 sine 4 theta. 2 plus 4 sine 4 theta. Am I getting the same in adding all? Yes. So हमें क्या करना है? बोलो. Column 1 replaced by. चलो start doing it. Start doing it. C1 replaced by C1 plus C2 plus C. Start. Start. I'm waiting. More than one answer correct. Previous IIT question.
Sir, A and B are correct.
And
B.
no. A is correct, but not B. More than one answer correct. Please don't sit idle. Keep trying. Keep trying. I'm not giving you time. The time given in between problems is for you to grow, for you to develop. Please keep trying. Don't sit idle. Getting the final answer. Getting the final answer.
Sir, D option.
Not important. The important part is completion of problem.
Sir, A and D.
मैं बोला एक बार गलत है बोल के फिर ए एंड बी बोला तो मैं क्या बोलूं?
Sir, D, not B.
No. The time given in between problems is not a break time for you. It is for you to try the problems. Keep trying them. Grow, develop. You try different methods, then only you get. What will be your first column? 2 plus Your third entry one. Next one. Cos square theta 1 plus cos square theta cos square theta. What you will take common? What you will
2
take
plus
common?
4 sin 40.
2
2 plus 4 sin 40.
Your first row, sorry, first column.
1.
Cos square theta 1 plus cos square theta cos square theta. 4 sin 4 theta. Now we shall do one thing. This can be 0, this can be 0. How to evaluate this? I told standard method. What's the standard method? Column is ones.
Row 2
Column
minus row 1.
हेलो कॉलम में वंस कौन से ऑपरेशन
R2 minus R1. R3 minus R1.
R2 replaced by R2 minus R1. R3 replaced by what I have done? I fixed R1. 2 plus 4 sin 4 theta into 1 cos square theta 4 sin 4 theta. Tell me, man. 1 minus 1 0. This minus
1.
this 1. This minus
0.
this minus this
0.
0.
0. 1.
Now look here. What is this determinant value? 1 into this minus this into this. Anyhow, this is 1. So what will I get? 2 plus 4 sin 4 theta into 1 is equal to 0. So what is your sin 4 theta? Minus 2 by 4. Sin is negative in which quadrant, man? Sin is negative in which quadrant?
Third,
Third
fourth.
and fourth quadrants. Third quadrant में when it is negative, cos sin बोलो मैम
Minus 5 by 6.
you want to write general solution?
And
Oh.
5.
Right. Sin 4 theta is equal to minus half is equal to sin of 5 plus 5 by 6. What is sin 180 plus theta? Sin 180 plus theta minus sin theta. and sine 2 pi minus pi by 6. Sine 360 minus theta minus sine theta. Reason man, sine 180 plus theta is minus sine theta, and sine 360 minus theta is minus sine. Since I'll put this in a dibba. Can you see the answer now? 4 theta is equals to, what is pi plus pi by 6? 7 pi by 6. 2 pi minus pi by 6. Bola man. 11 pi by 6. So what is theta? 7 pi by 24. 11 pi by 24. A and C. Please keep trying. Don't sit idle in the class.
Excuse me, sir, I have a doubt.
Bolo.
Sir, can't we apply rho 3 minus rho 2 there?
Root 3.
Rho 3 minus rho 2
Where?
in third step, sir, of the problem.
Evala.
Yes, sir.
What root 3 minus root 2?
No, sir, I am saying you applied rho 3 is replaced by rho 3 minus rho 1. So
Yeah.
can we apply rho 3 is replaced by rho 3 minus rho 2?
You can. You can. You can. You are correct. Absolutely correct. You can.
Okay, sir, thank you.
One problem I did that way. Remember?
Yes, sir.
This I am doing another way so that all the methods are covered. That's the idea.
Okay, sir.
If I do only one method, you feel that that is the only method. There is no other method. I am trying to exhaust all possibilities. That's the idea.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we can fix any row. Hello, sir.
Yeah, bolo.
We can fix any row.
Yes, any row. I fixed R1. You don't like R1. You have fascination for R3. You feel that R3 is your best friend. Fix R3. R1 replaced by R1 minus R3. R2 replaced by R2 minus R3. Do whatever you want.
Okay,
It is
sir.
will and wish. Answer will not change. You'll get same answer.
Sir, A cube answer is.
This also I explained.
Sir, A cube.
I'm giving time in between problems. Time given in between problems is for you to try. Don't sit idle. Don't believe in copying from the board. Don't believe in copying from the board. You should try. You should struggle. You should fight. Then only you will learn. Education is a learning process. Education is a learning process. You will learn provided you try. You will not learn by copying. Please don't believe yourself in copying. Keep trying. I told the method. ये देखो, ये देखो, ये देखो, देखें, 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 देखें. What you should do? What you should do? R2 replaced by
R2 minus R1.
R2 minus
2R1.
2R1 and R3 replaced by
R3 minus 3R1.
what is your first row? What to fix that? A plus B, A plus B plus C. बच्चे लोग इसको आपने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 0. इसको आपने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. These two will go off. 3A minus A. Sorry, 3A minus 2A. This you multiplied by 2. These two will cancel off. Multiplied by 2. So what remains? 2A plus
3.
बच्चे लोग am I correct?
Yes,
बच्चे
sir.
लोग am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Next, these two I am subtracting, multiplying by 3. I multiplied by 3. So B will go off. I multiplied by 3. 6A minus 3A. 6A minus 3A. This I multiplied by 3. 3C gone. 10A minus 3A. 7A. 3A. 6B minus 3B. Can I expand now? Direct you can expand now. If you still don't want to expand, can anybody give me a method? Can anybody give me a method? Row
Sir, it
3,
is A cube. A cube.
you can expand
answer
directly
cube.
at this step. You can expand directly at this step, or else you can do one more thing. Row 3 can be replaced by what is it? Row 3 minus many students expand here. Many students expand here. You can do that. You can do one, or you can do one more row operation. What will I get? A plus B. 0A, 2A plus B. Subtract these two. 0. Multiply. Subtract. What does it give, Suman? You are multiplying by 3. 7A. You are multiplying by 3. 7A into 2. This is multiplied by 3. This becomes 6. 7A minus 6A.
A.
3B is gone. Now, how simple the determinant is. One small thing you did. Look at how simple the determinant is. A into this minus this into this. This is 0. A into A square, A cube. Baki ke 0 into something, 0 into something. What's the answer? Hello. In fact, what is this? Entries
Yeah, what
below
is it?
diagonal are zeros. Upper triangular matrix. What is the data equal to?
Sum of product of
Product of diagonal entries.
Answer is AQ. Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
There are three famous determinants. एक AP में, एक AP पे, एक GP पे, एक HP पे. All the three answers always zero. Pay attention. Pay attention. There is one problem on AP, one on GP, one on HP. Harmonic progression. All three answers are zeros. I should not say PQR. I should say TP TQ to R. Correction man. If TP TQ TR are pth, qth and rth terms. Look here. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference. What's the formula? AP का TN. बच्चे लोग TN's formula AP. Nth term.
A plus n minus
Plus n
1
minus 1 into d.
All of you once again.
A plus n minus 1 into
A plus and minus.
Whole class एक बार बोलो ना. What is nth term of an AP? Whole class एक बार बोलो. What's the nth
A
term?
plus
A plus
A plus n minus 1 into D.
और एक बार.
A plus n minus 1
A
into
plus
D.
n minus 1 into D.
A plus n minus 1 into D implies what's the pth term? TP. So what will be TP? A plus What is TQ? A plus. What is TR? A plus R minus 1 into D. TP is pth term, TQ is qth term, TR is rth term. Remember, nth term is this. Hence, what will be the determinant? Determinant. What is your TN? TP? A plus. A plus. Vada, vada, vada. Vada, vada, vada. Vada, vada, vada. Come on. Prove this. चलो.
Zero answer.
मैं पहले बोला. करीमनगर जरा रुको ना, दूसरों को बोलने दो. चलो चलो आंसर मन. हेलो बच्चे लोग. Answer 0. Can anybody give method? Give me a method. I'm waiting. Can you give me a method why it is 0? I'm waiting. Can you give me a method why it is 0? बोलो मैम.
Sir, column 1, column 2, column 3. Column 1 as column 2 as column 3 minus column 1. A will get cancelled.
Sir, we can split into determinants.
One method is आप इसे 3 डिटर्मिनेंट में स्प्लिट कर सकते हो. कैन यू यूज स्प्लिटिंग अप प्रॉपर्टी? यस. व्हाट इज फर्स्ट डिटर्मिनेंट बोलो. फर्स्ट डिटर्मिनेंट बोलो. ए बोलो मैम. पी क्यू आर 1 1 1 प्लस. बच्चे लोग सेकंड डिटर्मिनेंट.
PD, QD, RD.
PD, QD, RD. PQR 1 1 1. बच्चे लोग थर्ड डिटर्मिनेंट.
D.
D minus D minus D. Column में ones है. You can use that method also. Column is ones. Sorry, row ones. You can apply column operations also.
All three will be 0.
Why first one is 0?
A we
A
can take
common.
common.
After taking A common, what will happen?
Column 3 and column 1 will be
Column
similar.
one similar.
Row 1 and row 2.
Row 1 identical to row 3. This is 0. What you will take common? D common from first row.
Identical to row 2.
Row 1 identical to row 2. That is 0.
Minus
Minus D common from first row. Minus D common from first row. What will happen? R1 identical to R3. 0. Hence 0. But there is one more. एक ही shot. एक ही shot. One stroke answer. There is a one stroke answer. There is a one stroke method. एक ही step. पूरा smash. Anybody? ये दोनों separate करो क्या आएगा?
P minus 1.
P minus 1.
ये दोनों
Q minus
separate करो जी.
P minus 1.
ये दोनों separate. ये minus one का एक आता. क्षमा दे दूँ.
P minus 1.
हाँ ये दोनों separate.
Q minus 1.
ये दोनों separate.
R minus 1.
उसको D से multiply करो. फर्स्ट रो में से निकाल दो. प्रॉब्लम हो गया ना. ये दोनों separate करो. D से multiply करो. फर्स्ट रो में से separate करो. What am I trying to say? R1 replaced by R1 minus of. बोलो जी. D into Janda step. What is R1? R2 minus R3. P minus 1, Q minus 1, R minus 1. Multiplied by D. Multiplied by D. What does it becomes? D into P minus 1. D into Q minus 1. D into R minus 1. First row में से निकाल दो. What is your first row? Second row. 1, 1, 1. A common. What happens? R1 identical to R2. That value. Direct figure पहुंच गए. So method 1, method 2. Come on. Please keep trying. Don't sit idle in the class. You might not get the problem. You might not get the final solution. You might not get the answer. That does not matter. ఆగే పని చేస్తారు ఒకసారి నీకే చేస్తారు పని మాకు అది కూడా చేయరు. Language బదులు since ABC what we will do, let instead of small a small r capital R no problem, let capital A be क्या बोलेंगे first term capital R be common ratio, then बच्चे लोग I want formula, what's the nth term of a GP?
Sir, 0.
आंसर 0 है मेरे को, मैं पहले बोला आंसर
R
0.
power n minus 1.
What is nth term of a GP formula man?
A r power n minus 1.
A into R power n minus 1. What is your small a? Earlier it was TP TQ to R. In place of TP TQ TR, here you have small a, small b, small c. What is your small a? What is your small a? Pth term. What is it? A into R power p minus 1. Small a is equals to A into R power p minus 1. क्या अप्लाई करना? Both the sides. Apply logarithms on both the sides. You will get the answer. Who is that mute man? Whenever mute your mic. बच्चे लोग बोलो. बच्चे लोग बोलो. Hello. Alpha is equal to theta lambda power n. What will be log alpha?
And
What will be log alpha? Log theta plus n log lambda. I apply that idea here. Tell me what is log A. Tell me what is log A.
log a plus
Logarithm of capital A plus
p minus 1 into log
p
r.
minus 1 into log R. Similarly, what will be log B? Bolo. Log A plus q minus 1 into log R. What is log C? Log A plus small r minus 1 r. Come on, substitute in this. You can do both the methods. Method 1 splitting, method 2 one stroke answer. Do both the methods. Method 1 splitting, method 2 one stroke answer. Do both the methods. आया आंसर बच्चे लोग?
Yes, sir.
log a plus p minus 1 log r, log a q minus 1 log r, log a plus r minus 1 log r. बोलो 1p 1q 1r. You do splitting up into 3. I'll do one stroke method. p minus 1 log r. क्या करना? column 1 replaced by column 1 minus log r into क्या करना? column 3 minus column 2. Am I correct? What is your first row, first column? Log a, log a, log a, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, what is that? 0. Why? Since column 1 identical to column 2. AP वाला हो गया, GP वाला हो गया. अब आ रहा है, अब आ रहा है HP वाला. Best way to learn an HP. Answer here 0. Hello. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 are in HP. Why?
Because 2, 3 and 4 are in AP.
Are in HP because 2, 3, 4 are in,
AP.
sorry, 2, 3, 4 are in AP. So what shall we call HP?
Dislocate of AP.
Let the HP be 1 by alpha, alpha plus D. So until where 1 by alpha plus so what is your A? What is your A? Bolo man.
1 by
What is your A? A is peak term of an first term, second term, first term, second term, third term, fourth term. How will be the peak term? 1 by what is your B? Alpha plus what is your C? Q minus 1. बच्चों लोग बोलो what you will do, what you will do. Take A, B, C common from where man? First row. I took A, B, C common from first row. What remains man? BC upon ABC, CA upon ABC, AB upon ABC. Follow. PQR 111. ABC into. Now what remains? BC will cancel off 1 by A. A is 1 by alpha plus P minus 1 into D. What is alpha? 1 by A? Alpha plus PQR 111. Come on. Do that it's 0. Now look. Previous JEE advanced question. Forgot, man. Where is this? For all A, comma. Wait, man. Where is this gone, man? Cos of meanwhile you write this. Simple one line answer. Come on. Simple one line answer. Direct expand करे तो भी आंसर आता.
Sir, C.
Yeah, आंसर सी. रो में हेलो रो में वन से कॉलम में वन से जो होना अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. कौन सा अप्लाई करेंगे? You do your own method, man. Earlier I did for rows. Now shall I do for column?
Yes, sir.
I'll fix column 1. Column 2 replaced by. Column 3 replaced by. What does it gives you? determinant बोलो 1 1 1 subtract 0 x 0 0 0 y. What's the determinant equal to? Answer is C. Previous mains question. Can you clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do whatever method you want. Do whatever method you want. I want the answer.
Zero.
Why? How?
Sir, I splitted the cos of a minus b. That formula I used and took common, sir. So I got all the trees same.
No. 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 You cannot take common. How can you take only cos A common? Hello.
No, sir, cos a plus sin a into common.
A plus B, A plus C, A plus D है एक रो में. Can you take A common?
No.
मैं एक मेथड बोलूं.
Sir, row 2 becomes row 2 plus row 1. Go on, go.
Look here, man. Don't laugh at this. Put A equal to B equal to C equal to P equal to R equal to 0. 0. 0. 0. What does it gives you? What does it gives you? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. All rows, all columns are same. What is that element? What is cos of A minus
Cos A
Cos
cos
A
B plus sin A sin P.
P expansion?
cos A
A
cos B
cos A
plus
plus sin A sin P.
Cos A cos P plus sin A sin P. Am I correct? बच्चे लोग, am I correct?
yes sir.
How many terms when you multiply to a row with a column? How many terms you will get? When you multiply, how many terms you will get, man? Row with a column, what does it do? AP plus BQ plus CR. How many terms you will get?
3.
Cos A cos P plus sin A sin P. Cos of A minus P is cos A cos P plus sin A sin P. But there should be a third term. What you will do with third term? If you put 1, you will get 1 there. Again trouble. What's the second term? Cos A cos Q. Cos A cos Q plus sin A sin Q. Third term. Next, cos A cos R plus sin A sin R. Cos A cos R plus sin A sin R. Last term. सेट हो गया? सेट हो गया? अब नेक्स्ट का क्या होगा? cos A sin A 0 आया. नेक्स्ट का क्या होगा? Look at this determinant. बोलो. लास्ट का. Check this now. Check this now first. Check this now first. Cos A cos P plus sin A sin P plus 0. Cos A cos Q plus sin A sin Q plus 0. Cos A cos R plus sin A sin R plus 0. फर्स्ट रो सेट हो गया. सेकंड रो चेक कर लो. एक टर्म चेक करो बस है. cos B cos P plus sin B sin P. What is cos B cos P plus sin B sin P? Man बोलो बोलो. Cos of B minus P. Similarly, others. What is Z value? If a given row or a column has all entries 0, what is that value? 0. This that is 0. This that is 0. Hence, answer is 0. This is chore method. This is classical
Sir, I
method.
did using different method and I got the answer, sir.
What's a different method
Sir,
used?
I added row 1 to row 2 and then row 1 to row 3 and
You cannot add no, sir. Angles are different.
When you add, it will become big term. And what you will get if you add row 1 and row 3? Hello? Cos of A minus P plus cos of B minus P. What you will do with this, man?
cos C plus cos D, sir.
What is cos C plus cos D? 2 cos C plus D by 2, A plus B minus P by 2, cos C minus D by 2, A minus B by 2. What you will do with this? There are only two methods for this problem. One, chore method, first line. Second method, this. That's it. From past 27 years, only two methods exist. Some more. ऐसा split करने का, some more problems, some more examples. We will see tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
2017 JEE mains. He asked one problem of this type. 17 में पूछा, and again same problem he asked in 19 mains also. 17 mains में he asked first time, 19 mains में he asked second time. Same idea is splitting. Splitting idea में पूछा एक problem, which we will do tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Minutes.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.